This is a mouse that expresses Par-4 in all tissues, all cell types, and this mouse lives longer than the control mice, and we discovered that this mouse is resistant to the growth of tumors. Now we have used this finding subsequently to ask whether this Par-4, which is allowing these animals to resist the growth of tumors, is systemically available, or whether it is intracellular, whether it's secreted or it's present only within the cells. And our findings tell us that this mouse has Par-4, which is secreted. And that's what really led us to discover that Par-4 in fact is a secreted protein, and it is secreted by normal cells. It's also secreted by some cancer cells, but the normal cells, especially fibroblasts, tend to secrete a lot of Par-4, and this Par-4 can kill the cancer cells. And we've seen that there are a large number of labs now who are looking at Par-4 expression in diverse tumor types. So we've seen that Par-4 expression is down-modulated in colon cancer. It's also down-modulated in breast cancer, and there are studies in a variety of other cancers. But the important part is that everyone has also seen that Par-4, when present in adequate amounts, results in apoptosis of the cancer cells, and that there is no apoptosis in the normal cell compartment. In addition to that, they've seen that the expression of Par-4 in the cancer cells also sensitizes these cancer cells to the action of apoptotic agents, and this can include chemotherapeutic agents or ionizing radiation. Now, a recent study that was done in breast cancer by a group from the University of Pennsylvania found that Par-4 is down-modulated in breast tumors which have a higher tendency to recur. And their study was focused on recurrence in breast cancer, and they showed that these tumors that recur locally as well as at distant sites have downregulation of Par-4. So their findings are exceptionally interesting because it's telling us that Par-4 may act as a predictor of breast cancer recurrence. And again, this is important because although this group has studied breast cancer, this may be relevant to recurrence in a broad range of cancer types because Par-4 is a generic tumor suppressor protein.